loves, so before we get started, I know that you guys are dying to see the PR packages. This by far was one of the most beautiful thought out PR packages that Anastasia has ever created or came up with. I really love everything. So at the top you see this beautiful card that is personally written. The flowers are from J'adore les flowers. Oh, sorry about that. I'm not good at that. But I attempted to pronounce that. These are everlasting roses. They last up to a year with proper care. They don't need sunlight or they don't need water, anything like that. I believe they are spray painted. I'm not sure, but these are actual real roses. And they came in this cute acrylic box that has micro sparkles in it, and it has the Anastasia logo right here. Even these clasps, see, I love everything. So obviously you get the Sultry palette inside. It is so stunning. Just look at the packaging. Ooh, yes, I love it. Let me open it up for you guys and show you guys. Let's just take a moment to appreciate these beautiful flowers. I'm obsessed with them. They're so beautiful. So this is what the palette looks like. Here's a little close up. 1, 2, 3. Yes. She's so pretty. So I really love this palette because it comes with a lot of different types of finishes. It has foils, some shimmers. It has some very neutral colors that I really love, and also this beautiful shade called Bloom, which is a pop of color. And this Cyborg shade is one of my favorites. I'm totally obsessed. And then of course you get the brush that comes with every single Anastasia palette that you receive. And yeah, actually I haven't swatched it, but I don't want to dirty it yet with swatches, but I already know it's gonna be bomb. Like, come on now. Because I want to film this video for you guys and maybe a little Instagram tutorial. So stay tuned for that. So next up we have this bad boy right here. It's this big triangle or prism or something like that. It just says Anastasia right here, and as you can tell it has the beautiful shimmers on it. And you take these two clasps up here and open it. That's not gonna work. And so you open it like this, and it has of course the little ABH logo, as you can see right there. Ooh, yeah. I heard that you can transform it into a table. Let's just do that real quick. This is what it looks like. Here's a little overview. Yes, I love everything. This is such a beautiful concept. I can't believe that the team came up with something like this. I think it's so unique. It comes with the new mini liquid lipsticks. These shades are beautiful. I cannot wait to wear this one for Christmas time. I think it's stunning. Along with these other shades, like this one's good for fall. Even that one's good for fall, and this one is all around amazing. I love it. So they have their new loose glitters, which everyone is going crazy over. They are all so beautiful. I'm obsessed and so blessed that I got to receive all of them and try them out. And I'm definitely going to use one or two in a look today. And these are new mini glosses. These are also beautiful. My favorite one is this one because it has rainbow reflex in it. I don't know if you guys can tell. And this one, I think I'm going to use today because we're going for like a pink type of vibe today. Anastasia, Beverly Hills, if you're watching this, or Norvina, thank you guys so much. This was well thought out, and I appreciate you guys for spoiling me as always. I'm so blessed and so grateful, and I cannot wait to play with some of this makeup. So let's get into it now. Okay, so like I said in the intro, I wanted to go for pink vibes today. So I'm wearing this pink wig from Eva Hair Official, and don't judge if the edges don't look laid or good or whatever, because I'm not a professional at that. So, and you see like the edge just came up. So first I'm going to be priming my eyelids with the ColourPop concealer. This is what it looks like. This is one of my favorite concealers. I use it every single time I do my eyeshadow. You guys are always asking. I like to use the ColourPop No Filter concealer whenever as my base, and then to cut my crease I use the Too Faced shape tape, that thing. I want to start off with this pink shade right here, the shade Bloom. I'm just going to be applying that pink shade along the crease. It's very pigmented, holy crap. So as you can see, we smoked out that pink shadow a lot. That's mainly the crease color that I wanted. Next, I'll be using the shade Dystopian. So it's just this rich chocolate brown. I'm just going to be applying that in the outer corners of the eye. Next, I'm going to go back in with that Bloom color, so the pink color that we used before, and I'm going to be applying that to my crease so I can blend the two colors together. Next, I'll be using the Tarte Shape Tape and the Anastasia A2 brush to carve out my crease. I'm going to do a half cut crease. And the A2 brush is the brush that you guys always see me using on Instagram that I get a lot of questions for, so this is it. The next shade I'll be taking that I put on top of the concealer is the shade called Rose Quartz. It's such a beautiful pink shimmery shade. I cannot wait to use it. So I'm gonna try it without wetting my brush first and then see how it is. Wow, it's so pretty. I'm a very intense girl, so I'm probably gonna wet my brush so we can have more of that metallic finish. After that, I took that pink shade in the palette that we used in our crease, the shade Bloom, and I'm applying that to connect the dark brown shade and the shimmer shade on top. I'm blending those two together with that pink color. Honestly, I love that they added the pink color. It's one of my favorite parts of the palette. Next, for the exciting part, I'm going to be taking one of their new loose glitters. This one's in the shade Sapphire. So this is what the little loose glitters look like, and it has the ABH logo on top, Anastasia Beverly Hills logo on the side, and when you open it up, it's completely mess free because they were so smart, and it comes with a sifter. So the little teeth of the sifter go inside the holes so no mess is made, and it's really easy to put on and put back on, and like I said, mess free. I'm just going to be taking some glitter glue. This is from Too Faced, and applying that to a brush and then applying the glitter to my eye. I don't want to go too heavy on the glitter, so I'm just going to put a tiny bit. The color is so beautiful. It gives the tiniest little flecks of sparkle and rainbow reflect. It looks like my eye is glossy right now and wet, which I'm totally living for. I'm not mad about that. For my lower lash line, I'm going in with that pink shade again and just smoking that under my lower lash line. I may add some more of that rich brown on the outer edge of my lower lash line just to give it a little bit more depth. And I kind of want this look to be a little bit doll-like, so I am going to put white eyeliner on my waterline. I was thinking of doing eyeliner. Should I do a little eyeliner? Match at the other side. I haven't done eyeliner in such a long time. Oh my god. Go back in all of my looks and you will not find eyeliner. I don't know why. Hopefully honestly, that looks good. It looks kind of weird on camera, but I think we're actually pretty good. By the way, the eyeliner that I'm using is the Eddie Funkhauser Ultra Definition Eyelining Stylist. So for lashes, I'm going to be taking the Revlon Volumizing Mascara and just putting a coat or two on the lashes. After that, I'll be taking these Bombshell Cosmetica Ashton lashes. The eyes are officially done. Now I'm gonna be doing the face makeup. Like I said, I kind of wanted like a blushy pink type of look, so I'm gonna be using this new Blush Bomb Pow Pink palette from Carity. This is part of their new blushes. They're so stunning. They sent me 4 or 5 more of these little palettes, but this one was the pinkest one, so this is what we're going to be using today. I'm taking my Luxie 522 tapered highlighting brush, which I use for blush. Look how pink it is. I'm not going to hold back. Oh, what if it's too pink? I want this look to be a little artsy. Like, I don't want it to be a look that you take real seriously. I mean, the eyes you can totally take seriously. I feel like it's such an amazing look, especially since I think homecomings are on the corner. So a bunch of you gals out there, if you guys have a pink dress, you can totally rock that. I'm gonna try using the darker pink now, the one over here. Oh, that one's so bright, and I'm gonna kind of use that for contour. So I'm gonna be taking this shade and this shade, mixing them and creating that perfect pink color. But first, I'm gonna be setting my face with the Ready Set Radiant Spray by Tarte Cosmetics. My Anastasia highlighting brush, and obviously dipping into those 2 pink shades that I mentioned before. We want this to be blinding. Now we're just gonna move on to lips. I have a Sigma pink lipstick and the color pink. I'm gonna be using the new Anastasia gloss in the shade Pink Tourmaline. Don't quote me. And don't forget, you can use code BellaXO at checkout at Sigma Beauty. You can also shop through the link down in my description. We add the fake freckles. Where is my dip brow? Yeah. I'm like, you can tell like somebody's personality changes as soon as they put on makeup. Like, I'm kind of feeling myself. But I think that's it, guys. Let me wipe off my hands before I touch my white shirt and adjust it for the millionth time in this video. This is the final look. I'm gonna do a little narcissistic montage for you guys. So much. Thank you so much for watching. We are about to hit 100K on Instagram, which is insane and such a milestone. I really want to get into making more YouTube videos. It's just so hard for me and so time consuming, and it's so hard to balance things out. But it's better to be posting than not to be posting, and that's all that matters. And I love the few of you that are on here supporting me, and hopefully we can grow from here. So please share this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and leave me a nice comment down below, or any comment on what future videos you'd like to see. I know Halloween's coming up. You guys know how I feel about Halloween. I'm obsessed. So send me some video ideas, some look ideas, what do you want to see me on my Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe to become a diamond babe, and I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye.